My name is Sam Goldberg. I work over at CarDrop. A few of you have seen my videos, a few haven't. You may have just Googled what is diminished value. You know, that's the headline of this video and you got me. So I'm just gonna take a minute or two. We're gonna just go over what it is, how do you go ahead and do apply for it, and what to do about it. So diminished value is pretty simple. The situation that usually comes up is that you've been in an accident with another person in your vehicle to vehicle. That might be two, might be three, regardless. Hopefully it wasn't your fault. If this accident was not your fault, then what you're going to do about it is you're going to actually call the person who was at fault. You're going to call their insurance company, and you're going to have them file, and you're going to be filing for diminished value. It's really actually pretty easy. You just have to make the phone call. You probably have to give them some of your information, give them a police report, etc. Now, what diminished value is exactly what it sounds like. It is your car, now that it's been in an accident, is worth less. About 20% less. Depending on how hard it was hit, could be 30. If the car has frame damage, maybe even more. Hopefully not. But the good thing is, when you go to want to sell it, you're not going to ever get that value back, because if you came to a place like us, I'm going to tell you your car has been in an accident, and it's going to affect the value of the car. But what you're going to have at hand, hopefully have in your pocket after you understand what this video is and what diminished value is, you can actually apply for it, and they'll actually send you a check. You'll get a check in the mail for 20% of your vehicle. Insurance companies hate this. It's kind of a secret that they don't really know about, or they know about. They don't want you to know about it. And it's really actually very simple to apply for. Call them, ask. You don't know if you don't ask. A place like ours, what we would do is we give you an appraisal for free. So what that would do is, after basically you had gotten into the accident, you had gotten your car fixed, you go to a place like CarMax, then come see us, and we would actually give you an appraisal for what it's currently worth today with that accident on its history, on the CarFax report. That's what people are talking about when they say accident history. It's either on the CarFax or what some people may look at, it's called AutoCheck. Both very reliable history reporting agencies for vehicles. So don't forget, look it up, see if it's even on there, because your case really wouldn't, you'd have no validity if there's no accident report, because me as an appraiser, I wouldn't really affect a car's value that harshly if it didn't have that accident report. So, I hope that helped, and stay tuned.